Mentup. Find a mentor and grow. By Mains and Family. Episode 298. The Art of Sacrifice, Paying the Price for the Life and Business You Desire. Let's dive into the principle of sacrifice and pursuing business success in layperson's terms. Discover how this principle resonates with today's business landscape, and explore practical strategies to integrate sacrifice into your business practice successfully. Because the price of a dream isn't paid all at once, it takes steady, intentional sacrifice over time. Contrary to popular belief, sacrifice isn't a scary word. On the contrary, it's an empowering one. It's about recognizing the cost of our dreams and having the courage to say, "Yes, I am ready to pay the price." Too often, we forget this crucial part: dreams have a price tag. And if we aren't particular about sacrificing for them, they eventually become our sacrifice. Ouch! Market relevance. Sacrifice is highly relevant in the contemporary market context. Competitive edge. Those ready to sacrifice temporary comfort for long-term growth are the ones who gain a competitive edge. Resource optimization. Sacrifice allows us to optimize our resources effectively, focusing on long-term gain over short-term pleasure. Persistence. The path of sacrifice builds endurance, an essential trait for thriving amidst market volatility. Steps to enhance business practice. Thinking about how to weave sacrifice into your business? Here's how. Set clear priorities. Understand what's essential for the business's long run and what can be sacrificed in the short run. Embrace delayed gratification. Learn to delay immediate gratification for long-term success. Cultivate financial discipline. Make wise financial sacrifices today for better business health tomorrow. Final thoughts. The road to real, formidable success is paved with sacrifice. There's no getting around it. But instead of viewing this as a challenge, let's see it as an opportunity to prove our commitment to our dreams. Remember, every dream has its price, and when we willingly pay that price through intentional, thoughtful sacrifice, we win in business and life. Let's go for gold, pay the fee, and minimize regret. It's time we made our dreams happen, one sacrifice at a time. Key takeaways. 1. Sacrifice is vital to achieving long-term success in today's competitive market. 2. It gives us a competitive edge, aids resource optimization, and fosters persistence. 3. Set clear priorities, embrace delayed gratification, and cultivate financial discipline. Brought to you by Mentup. Find a mentor and grow. Created with Mains Studio. Copyright Mains Media.